Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and we know what time it is. It's Scrap It Monday. Scrap Monday. And I'm going to show y'all what I make with my scraps and things like that. So today we're going to start off with some wallpaper. And I'm going to rip it to size using my metal ruler. Okay? And I want to make sure everything is straight. That's one side. I'm going to save that. Oops, that one didn't come out. That's okay. You can try it again. Make sure you firmly hold your ruler down. Okay, that's what I didn't do the first time, but I'm keeping all my scraps. And everything else is even. Okay, now what I want to do with this is make a pocket. Okay, I'm going to make a pocket with this. Okay, and we're going to do that and that. Now I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to take it, fold it over as best as I can. Okay. Now I'm doing this with scraps and not using scissors, or trying not to anyway. And using what I have on my desk. Okay. This one too, fold it over. Well, I'm going to do it this way so I can see it better. And I don't have I have bone folders, but like I said, I'm trying to show y'all to use it with whatever tools y'all have, and your hands are your best God-given tools. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna tape it one here, but I want this coloring on the inside like that, or you can put it on the outside. Sorry if my head gets in the camera. And here we go. I'm gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna glue it. You can use Elmer's glue or whatever kind of uh, liquid glue you have. I'm going to do one side first and then the other side after I have it all on. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take this. I want my flower part on the outside. So I'm going to line it up with the edge. And liquid glue gives you a little more time to move it. So I'm going to add a little bit more glue down here. Like that. I'm going to line it up. There. I'm going to come back. I'm going to glue all of this and just glue it all the way down. This is going to be like an accordion pocket. And before I do that, I want to refold this one. And put this one going in. Ah, I glued it wrong. Ah. I wanted the picture side in. So I can use this side that's glued and put it on the inside. See? Easy peasy. It gave me enough time to restructure it. I'm going to do this side first because I want to glue both pieces at the same time. Because this one I'm going to have to cut a bit off. And again, I'm going to line up my ruler with the fold. Just take the paper and rip it off. Now I can do that to this side too. Line it up and just pressure and take it off. This one I'm going to have to trim down with my scissors a bit. And sorry if I'm off camera, but that's the only way I can see to cut it right. Okay. And take this piece right there. I'm just going to trim right here. I want to kind of tuck it in. See right here? I'm going to kind of bring that in like that. I'm going to glue that all the way into this piece. Go across and line this piece up here. Just like that. Okay, and then you can fold all this over. And then you can glue here and here. And fold your piece over. And you have a nice accordion style pocket that you can fit whatever you want in it. And it's all made out of, yes, scraps. So we're going to bring it. Let's move these tiny little pieces up so we can see. Lined up. I'm just going to line up at the bottom like that. And you can take the end of a nail file to burnish. Okay. And you have a pocket. Now I'm going to take my scissors and even out what needs to be evened out. Like that. I'm going to trim a little bit here. Clean all that up. Toss it. And we have us a little pocket. Well, if I can open my pocket. Right here. And you have enough to where it expands because we added this piece here and the piece at the bottom to where it expands open. You can also put a belly band well, you can make another pocket by putting a piece of the scrap down here. And let's see, I want to line this up. And with that, so I can put glue on the sides here. And I have like a little tuck spot on the envelope or the pocket to put something in. Okay, so you got a little spot here to put something, and you got the pocket up here. You can put this in any junk journal, or you can use it for regular mail. You know, just make a flap to put up here, and you got that. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. Oh, wait a minute. There's something else I want to put on here for a pocket. Let's see if I can find it. How about some washi tape to define the bottom part of the pocket? Let's put some washi tape. I don't want it that big though. I want it just big enough to put on the pocket here. So what I'm gonna do, lay it here. Again, take my ruler, line it on the line here. Okay. Apply your pressure, and you can rip your washi tape. There. And you can put it over here. And you can define your pocket. Just fold it backwards. Backwards here. And you can define your little pocket on the front. And you take this piece and you line it at the top. Oh, well, that ain't gonna work now, will it? Well, yeah, it will. We can put that on the sides here. And put this one over here, overlapping it a little. Rip it. Christina. Rip it. Okay? And you have a pocket. A pocket on a pocket. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Okay? So I will see you all in the next video. Be kind, be safe, be caring, and see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.